Today I will show you how to download, install and start using Python on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Python. Go to the official Python website. The link will be on the video description. Click Download Python and the website will automatically detect the latest version for Windows. All you need to do now is wait for the download. Step 2. Install Python. Once the download is complete, open the installer file, then check the box Add Python to Path, then click Install Now. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Close. Step 3. Open Python idle. After the installation, search for idle in the Windows Start menu and open it. This is Python's built-in development environment where you can write and run Python code. Now we can try some simple code together. So write print hello world and then press enter to run the code. And that's it. Now you have Python installed and ready to use. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.